Remember, every girl has her unique beauty, and in this video, I'm sharing some amazing and easy beauty tips with you, my dear Indian girls, to enhance your natural beauty. Alright girls, let's start with skincare. If you want glass-like acne-free skin, it's time to try this magical mask. Mix yogurt, honey, besan, and turmeric, then apply it to your skin. However, if you have sensitive skin, skip adding turmeric to the mask. Use this magical mask 3 times a week for 15 minutes. Just don't forget to always do a patch test on your hand before applying any mask to avoid any skin reactions. You've probably heard that rose water is one of the best natural toners for the skin. For even better results, you can use rose water ice cubes. Simply pour natural rose water into ice cube trays and freeze them. Once frozen, glide a rose water ice cube over your face or desired areas. Alright pretty girls, to soften and brighten dark areas of your body, use a mixture of sugar and coconut oil as a scrub. You can apply it to various parts of your skin. This scrub can even be used to make your lips softer and more vibrant. Sunlight causes premature aging and brown spots on the skin, so don't skip sunscreen, girls. Sunscreen acts as a protective shield for your skin. Apply it every day, even if it's cloudy or you're staying indoors. If you have thin hair or experience hair fall, try a henna and natural oils mask to strengthen your hair. Trust me, it's an incredible mask. Using henna alone might dry out your hair, so mix it with natural oils. Leave it on for an hour before washing your hair. I suggest avoiding this mask if your hair is dyed. Trimming damaged hair is one of the best things you can do for your hair's health. It also makes your hair look neat and tidy. To minimize hair damage, braid your hair, but remember not to tie the braids too tightly. If you're tired of dry, frizzy hair, it's time to try the magical Amla and Ghee mask. Amla powder strengthens and detoxifies hair, while Ghee nourishes and moisturizes the strands, leaving you with soft, shiny hair. The skin around your nails can become dry, leading to cracked nails and a less attractive appearance of your hands. To keep the skin around your nails healthy, use moisturizers containing argan oil and glycerin. If your nails have turned yellow, rub lemon on them. Lemon also strengthens your nails and helps them grow faster. Your power isn't limited to physical beauty. Confidence is your greatest strength. To appear confident, try to speak clearly and distinctly. Never slouch, stand tall, make eye contact with people, and most importantly, don't forget to smile. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.